Hey everybody, so I had this picture saved on my Pinterest for ages, and obviously this isn't the sort of thing you can just go out and buy, but I found this old blue rocking horse for sale on Facebook Marketplace one day and decided to give it a new lease of death. I used that picture as my reference image, but it's not exactly the same shape of horse that I got, especially the head, so I used a couple of actual horse skeleton pictures for reference. Have you seen horse skeletons? So this presented a nice challenge for me, so let's watch this wee horse's transformation and then see if my little girl and little boy like it. By the way, please suggest in the comments what we could do with this box. It's a toy box. I got it for free. It's so plain and white and boring right now. It's just begging to be interesting. I mean, should I paint it, or if you've got any other creative ideas, please tell me what you think we could do with the plain white toy box. Alright, let's begin. I started by giving it a wee wipe down. The tail is stapled on, and there are staples where a mane likely used to be, so I'm going to try removing them best I can. I'm not feeling hopeful. Yay, I got them! Ideally I would have sanded it down to bare wood first, but I don't have any sandpaper, so that's that really. And it's just a toy, not a piece of art. I'm just using cheap basic brushes and lots of acrylic paint. I got lots of black, some white, and brown and ochre so I can blend a more realistic bone colour. Now, let's just paint. First I'm painting the whole thing black. Now, I am by no means an artist, but I'm going to do my best. I'm going to freehand this bad boy. Using my reference image, I'm penciling, crayoning as I don't have a pencil, go me, an outline for the skeleton. I'm doing the basic shape in white. Guess it doesn't have to be perfect, as I'm planning to do shading and will touch up the black at the end. These brushes are really revealing their cheapness. I had planned to use ochre and brown as well to make more of a natural bone colour and do a bit of shading, but I don't think that's going to work, and I think the plain stark white looks quite good as it is. I'm making the eye biggish because I wanted to have a bit of cuteness, if you can make a horse skull cute. The hardest part of this is knowing I have to do it all again on the other side. I'm taking pictures of one side, flipping them, and now using that as the reference photo for the other side. Now for the hardest part, I reckon, which is the back, as in the horse's back. I've only got a very anatomical drawing to use as a reference for that. Christ, this is getting a bit messy. I have to trust my future self with a paintbrush to make sense of it. Basically, in order to get a smooth, crispish line, I'm doing the white first and then going around the edges with a thin black brush. Makes it a good deal neater. Deciding I'd done a shit job of the back, I painted over it and started again. Doing some basic ribs first, then adding the vertebrae afterwards. So sure I did a good job. I am aware this isn't anatomically correct and obviously isn't meant to be, but seriously, have you seen horse skeletons? lastly, I'm taking it outside to spray with spray varnish. I did 2 pretty generous layers. And ta-da! The horse is finished. Now to see if Severine likes it. Mm-hmm. It's a horse. It's a horse. You want to ride the horse? Ding 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 ding. Do you like the horse? Yeah. There you go. Very good. Bye bye horse. Good enough. Do you love the horse? Is it fun? Yeah? Do you approve of the horse? Very good wee man, very, very good. Would you have a creepy wee rocking horse like this in your house? Do you think this is something you might actually have a go at? If you do, please take a photo and tag me so I can see it. I know Halloween gifts aren't a thing, but they should be. Wouldn't this make the sweetest Halloween gift? It was pretty time consuming, but I think it was worth it. It looks cool, everybody notices it when they come in, and you know, nobody else has got one just like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not already subscribed to my lovely spooky channel, then please do so. It would be nice to have you. And as always, take care of yourself, be nice to each other, and I will see you next time.